So I do these daily live streams with my pro members every day at 2 p.m. Eastern, and they brought up a good point. See, everybody on YouTube, including myself, always talks about how to get a girl, what you need to do to make sure you attract her, but we never talk about how to keep a girl. How do you keep them wanting and desiring you? So I got you. I mean, I already told this to the pro members in the live stream, but now I'm gonna tell you guys. Let's hop into this. Number one, you got to keep your time sparse. Look, she needs to always understand that your time is valuable. The biggest mistake that men will make is that as soon as they lock down a relationship, they'll let go of everything to spend all day, every day with her because she's your happy place. She makes you feel warm and loved inside. And by the way, I feel you, bro, like she does, but you can't give in to that. You need to snap out of it. I know she's warm and full of love, but no girl wants her man around 24/7. She might say she does, and it'll work for the honeymoon phase, but after a while, you become a nuisance, and she'll start thinking like, yo, does this guy have nothing else going on that he's giving me all his time? She needs to believe your time is valuable. Which takes us on to number two. You have to stay in prime material. Another massive mistake guys make is that everything you learned with me, for example, that you implemented to get the girl in the first place, you stop doing once you get the girl. Now you just binge watch Netflix all day and eat ice cream with her. Yeah, at first it's gonna be cute and all, but the man that you're about to morph into is not gonna be cute to her. It will not be the guy that she fell in love with. You have to keep in mind, no girl wants a guy that no other girl wants. So you gotta keep hitting the gym. Keep up with your grooming routine and still keep investing in yourself as if you were still in the market. Shoot, you see me dropping the new dark collection for Santa Lucia. You already know. That is a secret weapon that should be in every man's bathroom, whether you're in or out of a relationship. If you're in the relationship, I promise you it's gonna keep her hooked, stealing your clothes left and right just because your leftover hoodies just smell delicious. And if you're out, it's a no-brainer. Our scents, boys, this dark collection is the most unique masculine scents you'll ever smell. They don't smell like your Sauvage or your Eros or what every other dude smells like. These smell completely different. They're not copies of any other high-end. No. Everything was done in-house in partnership with our fragrance house in France. All the oils are sourced from Italy and France. These are the best oils in the world. I made sure I splurged in the quality here. Not to mention, the concentration in all three fragrances is above 20%. So each one's 21% to be exact. Most fragrances that you buy, like let's say your Dior Sauvage, I think they're like 10 to 15% or a little bit lower than that, because the more oil that you use, the more expensive the fragrance is. Well, I wanted to make all my fragrances parfums. These are stronger, they're more potent, they last longer, and you don't need to use as many sprays. You do 1, 2, or maybe 3 max sprays, and now you have enough projection that any room you enter, you're gonna be the best smelling dude in that room. Attention almost instant, boys. And don't just take my word for it. The reviews are starting to roll in from launch. We crushed the launch. Even pro members are dropping reviews that you can see on screen right here. This stuff is different. This stuff, boys, this stuff is better than anything you have. That's a guarantee. I want you guys to check it out. If you do, there's going to be a link down below. Right now, we do have free shipping and free returns if you live in the US. And if I were you, I'd buy all 3. Boys, these scents sell out fast, and when they do, we're going to be sold out for a few months. If I were you, if you buy all 3 as a set, you actually save $150, and now you have a powerful collection for every occasion in your life. If you guys want to check it out, it'll be linked down below. 3, you gotta keep evolving. Yo, I am a married man with a kid. I love both of my girls. I'm out here still as ambitious with bigger goals than ever. Why? Because that's the dude she fell in love with. And when you get into a relationship, even a long-term one, you should not lose yourself into the comfort of already having a relationship. See, everything I do because it's something that motivates me, and it just so happens to also be something that attracts women. See, keeping those goals ambitious even after you have the girl not only makes you more attractive, but also keeps you evolving and turning into a different version of yourself to be able to reach those goals. Number 4, you gotta keep doing what you did to get her in the first place. And this part is when it comes to more of the romantic stuff. All that cute creative stuff that you drag on doing, well, she loves you when you do that. So you're gonna have to still put in the effort the same way you did when you originally started dating her. You wanna get as creative as you used to back in the day with her. You wanna get her emotions full. You wanna get her adrenaline pumping. Which takes us on to number 5, take control. When you go on a date, don't get lazy and let her plan the entire thing or let her choose where you want to eat and what you want to do. No, take full control like I used to recommend when you first started dating her. You want to pick her outfit. Tell her you love how she looks in that dress. I want you to also pick the place you go out to eat. You know what she likes. Pick that right restaurant and then tell her what the following event will be. This is going to keep her hooked because 1, she won't know what to expect because you plan everything. You're keeping her on her toes. And 2, it's going to keep her hooked because she's going to love the leadership. She's going to love the drive that you have to naturally take control of the relationship. Women love this stuff. Have great communication. When you're on these dates, don't hop on your phone in the same way you wouldn't do that in the first times. You want to keep leading on those deep conversations. Connect with her on that deeper level. Talk about your ambitions, your dreams, your goals, what stage you are in life. Talk about the relationship, how it's going, setting boundaries. See, the deeper you can get with her, the more emotionally connected she's going to be with you and the more infatuated she's going to be with you. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our fragrances from Santa Lucia. If you guys want to check those out, they're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.